Gemini Studios Diamond Jubilee Celebrations. He is a sensation in the history of Indian cinema. Akkineni Lakshmi Varaprasad, popularly known as LV Prasad, is one of the pioneers of Indian cinema. Beginning as an actor in the first talkie film Alam Ara, his journey as an assistant director, cinematographer, director, and producer in many Indian languages is a testament to that. All the actors of the time in Indian cinema were eager to work with him. His every step was a sensation. It is a new chapter in the field of cinema. That chapter began with Gemini Studios. Gemini Studios was established in 1940 by Mr. Vasan, who has produced 100 to 150 films in all Indian languages at the pan-India level. The Gemini Studios logo is a blockbuster with the twins blowing their horns. Gemini Studios is a mark not only in India but also in the global film industry. A brand. A trendsetter. There were so many talented people in the industry, but Vasan Garu put faith in LV Prasad Garu's family. The only reason is their grip on every aspect of the film industry. They know what to do, from the story to filmmaking, and to get applauded by the audience. It was that belief that led Vasan to hand over the responsibility of Gemini Studios to LV Prasad's heirs, Akkineni Manohar Prasad and Ravishankar Prasad. No matter what job you do, or what business you do, it should be good for the producers and technicians in the film industry through them. The Prasad brothers' determination to provide employment to thousands of workers who believe in cinema and make a living has paved the way for the emergence of many companies. Anand Cine Services is the largest outdoor equipment leasing company in the South film industry. Complete post-production facilities at Gemini Labs, Gemini Effects. Many big-budget movies with star heroes in all languages in South Indian were made through Gemini Studios and Gemini Film Circuit movie banners. All those are blockbuster successes. Shankar Dada MBBS with Megastar, Vasool Raja MBBS with Kamal Hassan, Namban with Dalpati Vijay and mega director Shankar, Unda with Malayalam superstar Mammootty, Kadali with great director Mani Ratnam Garu, not only in the production sector, but also in the outdoor unit, post-production services, and film distribution sectors. They have served thousands of films over the past 40 years through their Gemini Studio and other affiliates. Shri Manohar Prasad and Shri Ravishankar Prasad are the descendants of the legendary LV Prasad as the children of Shri Akkineni Anand Babu. No matter how many successes they have achieved, they consider their collective success to be the success of their company Gemini Studios. This is a Gemini Industries and Imaging Limited success. In the event of Gemini Studios Awards Diamond Jubilee Celebrations, 75 years of Gemini Industries and Imaging Limited welcomes all of you to the Gemini Organization's celebration.